This is high spa day. Oh, that's my titty out. So in honor of 420 and do some self-care. I am not good at being high. I don't smoke a lot or very often. Got a new background. Let me know what you guys think. Got a new pimple. Let me know what you guys think. Let's get this show on the road. Put a little nug in the thing. I have already washed my face with this Peter Thomas Roth Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel. The Glam Glow Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. It's real sticky, so I use this little spatula. So I'm going to set one hit, and I am like, so you just do like this, and you take it off. Ooh. Pew pew. I'm such a fucking loser. Loser. I'm gonna put on the Mario Badescu Super Peptide Serum. It's just another like anti-aging thing that makes me feel better about being 30. God, it feels great. These the girl. Oh, that's you. A tree limb fell on the house. No joke, dude. It wasn't giant, but it was big. The whole house was like. Anyway, taking these things. Actually, these kind of made my eye. Oh, these kind of made my eyes feel. I put on moisturizer while those things were on. I had to stop and charge my camera because it died. After you put on serum, you have to put on moisturizer. Wait till your skin gets rid of the sticky feeling from the serum, so like 5 minutes, and then put the moisturizer on. How did I get that out sounding like a normal person? Because thinking back, I feel like I sounded really weird. What? The moisturizer I use is, I don't know how you say this brand name, but I really, really like all their stuff. Bioscience. This is the Squalene and Omega Repair Cream. Those eye patches actually made my eyes feel drier. So I have the matching Squalene Peptide Eye Gel around my eyes because they are so dry feeling. My lips are dry, my mouth is dry. Honey, my pussy probably dry. One time my friend Ashley came over and I took one hit as usual, and I had to abandon my turkey burgers on the stove like mid-cook because I couldn't complete my responsibilities. I had to go to bed. It was too much. And then another time I did that with scrambled eggs, and I was in the backyard tanning with this eggs cooking on the thing. So whoa. So where are we going? Anyway, what are we gonna get to eat? I'm gonna put on this hand and nail cream, which obviously I'm a big fan of because it's to the end, by Caudalie. I'm gonna like load it on and like get it all around my cuticles and stuff, and then I'm gonna put some socks on my hands and let them just like soak it up. These are so cute. My brother got them for me for Christmas. They've got Ziggy on them. There. Oh, shit. Munchies menu. Shit. So fresh ain't no munchie. That's healthy. I don't want that. Chipotle or Five Guys. Fuck. Okay, let's call Anita.
Huh?
Hello, I just have a quick question.
What's up?
Should I order Five Guys or Chipotle?
While you're high, I would go with Five Guys.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, love you.
Love you, babe.
Alright, bye.
Five Guys. Stick my dick so deep in this cheeseburger. Get off of that thing. Got dressed. Ordered Five Guys. I cannot wait. And I'm watching Get Him to the Greek. That's the best day ever. Look at my shirt, is so ironic. It says pugs, not drugs. Oh, come on. Look at my dirty ass window. Where's my food at? Corbin? Corbin? Where you at? It's Corbin. Should I go out there or should I just have him leave it at the door? Do you think he's cool? Okay, so it's 9:15. I passed out for like 4 solid hours. I just woke up and uploaded all the footage. So much freaking nonsense of me just sitting there like this that I really don't know how this video is gonna come out. I'm gonna upload it anyway since people seemed really excited for it. And yeah, happy 420. I'm such a fucking loser. Oh, God bless it.